In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this 3D AI name images with Bing AI. First, open your browser and search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. After login with your email, you will see this page and you can type your prompt right here. Prompt are given in description. And paste here. Then click on Create. Click on Image to preview. I want to use this image. Now click on Download. Simply click on Download to save your image. Select second prompt. And paste here. If you interested in more AI tutorials, subscribe to my new channel. I'm sharing new tutorials and prompts daily.